Awesome. Hey. What's this going on? Yeah. Oh, a toolbox. Some crappy tools. A level, some shit. Oh, a new fridge. Awesome. I could probably steal that, but it's gonna be a bitch. Oh, anyways. Yeah. Oh, I like the room. The room? Yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh, there's the back door. What's that? Oh. What? What's that? What's... Oh, what's that? Oh my goodness, what's that? Oh, a bolt? A bolt? It's a crappy bolt. What's this for? What? I can't... Oh? Oh. What? Oh, that... Oh, that goes... Oh, that does that? Oh. Oh my goodness. What's that? Oh. And then... Oh. And then that lock. Oh my... Oh, that locks. Oh. 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 Oh my goodness. That locks right there. Whoa. That is intricate. Whoa, hey. Who did... Nate done that. I bet Nate did that. Nate. Oh. It's got some screws. Oh, I bet you could rip that off, though. If you really want it in. Right. I want in there. I'm coming in there. I'm gonna take everything. Everything is mine. Oh. Oh, and it locks. Well, at least it says it's locked. There's a doggy door. Oh.